Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. What I wanted to do is go ahead and close out my first paycheck and then talk about the second paycheck for the month of August. I do have prop money. I know that I've been thinking about using this for the longest. Actually, I don't know, it feels like almost 2 years or so. So I purchase some and I'm going to see if I actually want to use it. So let's go ahead and get started with closing out the paycheck for the first pay of August. First of all, I am using the Easy Budget Planner with Savings Challenge Special Edition. This planner is made by Salisa over at Beautifully Me and You. And the back of it, you can see it has saving challenges. Of course, it has 6 months of inserts to budget with. So here is my monthly calendar. Of course, when you get closer to these two ladies, they look like this. And this is all I spent. So of course we were on vacation most of the time, and then it was a no spend, no spend, no spend. I spent $42.91 at Walmart. On the 21st, I did spend $2.20, and yesterday, which was the 22nd, was a no spend. Today is payday. I need to go to the store and get Jasmine some dog food and actually go grocery shopping. So today is most likely going to be a no spend day. And when it comes to the rollover, I am rolling over $34.89. That's the amount that was left. $14.89 was left from the spending and $20 from gas, because go ahead and look at the budget and everything is pretty much the same. The income was $1,274 after I took offering away. You have all the bills. All of these were paid, which was $923 with $351 left. This is where that money went. So for spending, I did budget for $121. I spent everything but $14.89. When it comes to gas, I did budget for $20, and I didn't spend anything, which would give me that $34.89. Of course, I did spend $210 or put $210 towards Tanya's Budget and Chaotic Life to try to finish her challenge. And this is what everything looks like at the bottom. So I had a balance left and I did roll it over. Let's go ahead and look at the second paycheck budget. Here's the budget for the second paycheck. In my deposit account, I did receive, which I'm shocked about, $1,641.91. I did roll over $34.89. When I took offering and my mom's life insurance bill away, I ended up sending my sister $178, which leaves me with a budget amount of $1,489.80. Of course, all of my bills are pretty much the same, so I just went ahead and written them out. For Google, I'm going to pay $218. For State Farm, $206. Term Life, $59. It's not due yet, but I am getting prepared for it and saving money for when the term is due. For car, I'm going to go ahead and pay $234. Rent, I did go ahead and sign the lease, and the new monthly rent amount is $880 from $810. AT&T is $65. That bill did go up $5, and AT&T sent out a letter about it. So we're just adding in the extra $5 for that. Netflix, $10.94, which all equals up to $1,017.12 with $481.68 left. When it comes to my cash envelopes, this is what I did. I went ahead and spent $180 on groceries. I'm not really sure how much grocery we may need, but I do know that we have at least over $20 of quarters for the laundry, so we don't have to worry about that. We don't have to worry about too many household items because I did go ahead and get them with the last paycheck. When it comes to gas and ride share, I did budget for $100 for extra. That's just miscellaneous. I did give $20 for fun and food. I didn't do anything for car things, and that's just for pretty much a car wash. I did budget $20. I don't think I'm going to need $20, but hey, you never know. Of course, Travis, we do hand wash the car, so this amount may be slightly lower. So everything together equals up to $320. And then we have $161.68 left, and that amount is going to the savings challenge for $160, and I'm just throwing the $168 to my month ahead, which gives us a 0 base budget. And I actually need to go ahead and send that cash over to Ally Bank, and it probably won't get deposited until, let's see, today is Wednesday, so maybe Friday if I go ahead and do it. Also, I'm going to go ahead and stuff my cash envelope with prop money, so let's see how that goes. So I went ahead and filled out my cash stuffing tracker. Of course, I didn't have any 100s for spending, so I ended up getting 3 50s and 120 and a 10. For gas, I just used 2 50s. For extra, I'm just doing a 20. For car things, I'm just doing 120. And at the bottom, when we add everything up, we have 5 50s, 3 20s, and 110 to equal up to $320. My wallet. And when I go to the store and subtract as I use, I'll just update, double check to see how this prop money goes. Hopefully it goes well. That way I don't have to physically go to the bank. Because if I do have to go to the bank, it won't be until Monday, and I get paid on a Wednesday, and I work banker hours, unless I change my schedule. Also, guys, have you seen this wallet right here by So Crafty Sanai? If so, I want it. So I was thinking about stop using this because it's so long, and guys, when I say it has a problem in my purse, like, look at this. So I have this in there. It's just a notebook. But, look at this. It almost can't fit. So, with it almost not fitting, I saw the Zippy mini wallet by So Crafty Sanai on her website, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Guys, I've been secretly stalking her TikToks to see what the inside looked like when she cashed stuff, how her cards fit when she cashed stuff, all of those things. And I am freaking in love with that wallet. Like, I want it, but I've been saying, do I truly need it? And of course, I do have this, but I want something that would not only hold all of my envelopes. So these are my envelope collections. So not only do I want something that can hold all of my envelopes, I do want something that is able to hold all of my cards. Of course, I do have this crock wallet, but I believe that this wallet is a little wider than the wallet that Sanai has, and if so, that would be freaking perfect. Like, for some reason, I don't really care about the wide wallets, but of course, on the other one that I have, it's the same width. So I wonder, I'm going to send her a message and ask her how wide it is. If it's this width, I may just move back to it. That way I won't have this long thing in my wallet just taking up a lot of space. I don't know. I like it. I want it. I probably don't need it, but it is smaller than this, and it has rings, so I can just add my cash envelopes and all of that to it, and the aesthetics of it is perfect. And then if I wanted something smaller, of course, I can go with this one by Ashley over at Pink Uni Budgets. I already have tabs for fun, spending, miscellaneous, and foodie. So I don't know. As of right now, I'm just going to keep watching her stuff them because I do like them. Now, if you missed this deal here on getting a planner and a ZBXL, today is the last day for it. So if you need a planner, definitely go buy it to go ahead and get the free wallet. And this is what the inside looks like. Hope you guys have a great day. It's time for me to, well, I just clocked out and I need to go grocery shopping. I need to get the dog some food before she starves because I gave her the last of it today. And yeah, I'm not really sure what we're eating tonight, but I'm sure it's, you know, something like a salad or a chicken Alfredo or something like that. Something quick. Something that's quick and easy. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.